Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Nights at Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Eggs Benedict with Glamrock Glamor. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to do your prep, which involves cutting 10 cherry tomatoes in half, cutting up 1 ripe avocado, a tablespoon of red onion finely chopped, and a teaspoon of cilantro, along with 2/3 a cup of chorizo. After you're done with all the prep, you can put 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar in a big pot of water, enough to fit 4 eggs, and bring it up to a simmer. And while it's heating up, you can do everything else. And the last little bit of prep is getting a little zest from a lime. For the hollandaise sauce, you're going to want to melt half a cup of butter, then in a blender, blend 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons white wine vinegar, a squeeze of lime juice and a little zest, and half a teaspoon chipotle paste. And then once that's all blended together, you're going to slowly add the butter and making sure not to get the little white things on the bottom. The next thing you want to do is put a tablespoon of olive oil in a frying pan, then put in the tomatoes and chorizo and cook it until the chorizo is crisp. For your guacamole, mix together your avocado, red onion, chopped cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, and salt and pepper. Once your water got to simmering, you want to then turn it down to the lowest temperature, because with that hot water, you're going to carefully crack eggs into it to poach them. You're going to let them cook for about 3 minutes until the whites are solid and the yolks are still runny. It's harder than it sounds. To assemble them, you're going to want to toast some English muffins. Then you're going to want to put your avocado, then the chorizo and tomato mix, and then you want to put the egg on, and then the hollandaise sauce, and then you have them all assembled. And these are pretty good. My yolk broke for one of them, but it's fine. It still tasted good. And almost every single egg that I poached, the egg yolk and egg white just completely separated. They did not stay together at all, which sucks. But it was still tasty. I would definitely recommend it. 8 out of 10.